Preparation, in the harem of my head. Actors should bring a deeply personal connection to their emotions, ensuring that their performances feel genuine and not superficial. Profound acting comes from internal emotional preparation, where actors mentally and emotionally prime themselves before a scene. This preparation isn't merely about memorizing lines or putting on an emotion, it's about tapping into a real, significant feeling, which may not directly align with the character's circumstances, but brings authenticity to the performance. Preparation involves actors stirring their emotional pot, drawing on meaningful, often private experiences that resonate emotionally, allowing them to enter a scene already immersed in true feeling. By focusing on an emotion, such as joy, anger, or grief, that exists within themselves, actors naturally project authenticity, creating a genuine connection with the audience. Maureen Stapleton and Geraldine Page serve as models for actors who consistently bring emotional depth to their performances. Audiences connect with such performances because the actors aren't simply going through the motions, they are embodying their roles with an emotional fullness that resonates. Actors should understand that empty performances, no matter how polished, lack the essence that draws audiences in. Authenticity cannot be faked, it must be felt. For technical aspects, the emotional power of true feelings reaches audiences, regardless of whether the performance is on stage or film. Actors can achieve this by bringing personal emotions into their roles, allowing them to access their emotional truth without any disconnect between their inner life and the character they portray. In one exercise, an actor is instructed to think about his wife's unfaithfulness, trusting that the thought alone will evoke an authentic emotional response. This demonstrates how actors can use deeply personal emotions to ground their characters and fully engage in the moment. Preparation, therefore, is more than surface-level readiness, it's about finding an internal truth that transcends the mechanics of acting. In a scene from the dark at the top of the stairs, actors playing Lila and Dave are prompted to explore their characters' feelings by bringing personal emotional experiences into their portrayals. Lila's sense of elation and Dave's frustration create an emotional dynamic that adds weight to their interaction, turning it into something electric and captivating. Actors need to connect with their emotions, not through rigid method, but through a commitment to truth. They aren't pressured to hit specific emotional marks, but are encouraged to experience their own feelings and bring that authenticity into their roles. In another exercise, one actor imagines that all her dreams are coming true to feel ecstatic joy, while her scene partner channels the sorrow of a personal heartbreak. By focusing on these real emotions, they unlock a spontaneous, authentic interaction that brings their characters to life. Beyond individual scenes, actors must move past surface portrayals to engage more deeply with their characters' emotional states. In Mr. Roberts, an actor playing a powerful figure channels personal satisfaction in wielding authority, while the character pleading with him is instructed to draw on an emotional state of recent personal loss. This creates a powerful tension that resonates with the audience, as both actors are working from authentic places within themselves. Outside of scene work, it's beneficial for actors to reflect on their own emotional openness and potential roadblocks. While one actor's reserve may hold him back on stage, another actor's sensitivity and intellectual approach could enhance his performance. Embracing some emotional storminess can help actors break through personal limitations, accessing emotions without holding back. Sensitivity and intellectual insight can also make actors skilled in understanding the emotional complexities of their characters and bring depth to their portrayals. The ultimate goal of this emotional preparation is to cultivate fearlessness in facing and expressing emotions. Actors should let go of self-conscious restraint and the need for polish, embracing genuine reactions within the character's world. Preparation, in this sense, becomes a lifelong journey rather than a strict technique, a journey toward understanding that authenticity and vulnerability on stage are key to a compelling performance. The art of acting lies in allowing one's whole self to be present in each role. By living truthfully under imaginary circumstances, actors create a performance where real emotions draw the audience into a shared experience. Rather than relying on affectation, actors should embrace their inner lives and bring them fully into their work, allowing the audience to feel the authenticity of their performance, and in turn, find a deeper connection with the art.